What's up guys? Ito na naman tayo at muli tayo nagbabalik para sa isa na namang reaction video ng Banda Mission Souls. Ito yung kanta ni Avril Lavigne, yung Head Above Water. Ayan, napakagandang kanta nito guys. Tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling ang Bandang Mission Souls.
I've gotta keep the calm before the storm. I don't want less, I don't want more. Must buy
Napaka-smooth ng boses ni Stacy dito.
the windows and the doors to keep me safe, to keep me warm. Yeah, my life is what I'm fighting for. Can't part the sea.
Sa mga nakakalam guys, anong taon ba sumikat tong kanta ni Avril na to? I-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section.
Can't reach the shore. And my voice becomes the driving force. I won't let this pull me overboard.
Halos lahat yata ng kanta ni Avril sumikat no? Talagang kasikatan niya nung panahon na yun.
Gotta keep my head above water. Don't let me drown. It gets harder. I'll meet you there at the altar as I fall down to my knees.
May tanong ako guys sa mga solid fans ni Avril. Ano yung unang kanta ni Avril na sumikat? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section sa mga nakakaalam ng sagot.
Don't let me drown, drown, drown. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me drown. So pull me up from down below, 'cause I'm underneath the undertow. Come dry me off.
Swak din sa boses ni Mami Sheena yung timbre ng boses ni Avril. Talaga napakahusay nila pipili na i-cover. Bagay na bagay sa boses.
And hold me close. I need you now, I need you most. God, keep my head above water. Don't let me drown.
Ang astig nun yung post ng drums tsaka ng bass guitar ni Daddy Second. Galing ng timing.
It gets harder. I'll meet you there at the altar as I fall down to my knees. Don't let me drown, drown, drown. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me drown.
Sarap pakinggan ng harmony nila.
Don't let me drown, 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 and keep my head above water, above water. And I can't see in the stormy weather. I can't seem
Seryoso si Naces sa keyboard.
to keep it all together. And I can't swim in the ocean like this forever. And I can't
Yan, syempre nagbabackup din si Nisha. Tatlo silang kumakanta ni Mami Sheena at si Stacy.
breathe. God, keep my head above water. I lose my breath at the bottom. Come rescue me. I'll be waiting. I'm too young to fall asleep. So God, keep my head above water.
Bangis nung palo ni Ice na yun.
Don't let me drown. It gets harder. I'll meet you there at the altar as I fall down to my knees. Don't let me drown. Don't let
Ang husay talaga magpalseto ni Stacy.
me drown. Don't let me drown.
Sinimplihan lang nila yung patapos. Napaka-smooth. Grabe. Anong genre talaga yung kanilang i-cover talagang wala lang. Walang ka-effort masyado. Ang galing nila talaga sumipra ng kanta. Natural na lumalabas yung talent nila. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa Banda Mission Souls, mag-subscribe na kayo para mapanood nyo pa yung mga susunod nilang i-cover. At kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga dati nilang cover, ayan guys, halongkatin nyo lang sa kanilang channel. Napakagaganda lahat yan. At i-subscribe nyo na rin guys yung ating munting channel para naman man-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.